and welcome back to the Dancer's Hideout, Bitesize Sunday. A place where you'll find all the tips and tricks to help you in your dancing. My name's Ian, I'm a professional teacher and former competitor with over 30 years of dancing experience.
Julian!
Today we're here to tackle one of the biggest questions in Latin American dancing. How do I get my hips moving more naturally? So let's break this down into a way that feels easy, accessible, and in a way that doesn't feel forced. A lot of beginners will feel that whenever they're using a hip action, that they have to sort of wiggle their hips around or trying to push or force it around like this. But that's not how hip actions work. In the Latin American dancing, by having more straighter legs in a lot of instances, we use the pressure in the floor and the resistance that we get from that floor to create the torsion within the hip action to help us do one of the different types of hip designs that we can use in Latin American dancing. So let's consider the use of the hip action. The two main types of hip actions that you'll commonly see are the settling hip action and the rotation hip action. So let me for instance show you a basic cha-cha step that we were dancing the cha-cha for instance with the use of this hip action. To help make this clearer, I'll switch over to camera 2. Hello camera 2. Okay, so when we're dancing our cha-cha step, if I'm gonna just do the cha-cha preparation step to the side, some people teach this as cha-cha-cha, and some people just teach this as the weight change just before they step. I'm gonna dance the cha-cha-cha because this feels a little bit more characteristic for how we should be dancing the cha-cha, and for me, it keeps us on time as well when we're dancing to the music, okay?
Okay.
So, from this position, I'm going to dance cha-cha-cha with the side closed side movement. From there, we're going to then dance, and you can see here, when I got onto this last step here, I'm just relaxing it to the side. It's a downward feeling. Very subtle, very subtle. When I then do my back basic, I'm stepping and then turning my hip. I'll just recover the weight, dance my cha-cha to the side, cha-cha-cha. And again, when I get onto that last step there, just relax down with the weight. From there, I'll then dance my forward basic, step, recover, and as I do the recover, here, I do a rotation of the hip to help move my weight back. And from there, I can continue with the basic cha-cha. So all together, this is going to be cha-cha-cha, and 2, 3, cha-cha-cha. And 2, 3, and cha-cha-cha, and 2, 3, cha-cha-cha, and 2, 3, cha-cha-cha.
Nice.
So, as you can see, when we're dancing this movement, there is a use of settle or of the body weight over the hip and the foot to allow us to be able to take our next step. As you saw in the demonstration there, I'm using the count at the end of the cha-cha-cha, or the 4 and 1 count if you're counting it in the numbers, to be released downwards to settle my weight. When I'm taking the backward step, you saw that I was dancing the step and turning the hip at the same time. And this is the difference. Whenever you're doing a settling weight action, you will always step the foot before you settle the weight. Whenever I'm dancing a rotation of the hip, I'm going to be stepping and turning the hip at the same time. My final tip would be to try and practice this at home. You don't need a lot of space, as I've shown here as well. You don't need a lot of space to be able to do this action, and you can have a go for yourself to the music as well, so you can feel how you're going to do this with the speed of the music. If you've enjoyed today's episode, be sure to give us a like. We'll really appreciate it. If you want to see more from the Dancer's Hideout, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and make sure you ding the bell icon so that you can stay notified for whenever we're putting out new videos or content. Drop us a comment down below. anything that you personally maybe find difficult in the Latin American dancing. We might cover it in one of the future episodes. In the meantime, my name's Ian, this here is the Dancers Hideout, and it's been a pleasure.